how to turn picture into video in Higgsfield AI. So here's how it works. Sign into your Higgsfield AI account, hover over video, and then click on generate AI videos. Now from here, this is going to be the start frame. So you want to get your image. So I'm just going to add this image of a girl, and you will explain what you are trying to make it do. So I'm going to do make this woman wink. Fairly simple. You can choose the model which you want to use. So currently we're going to use Kling 3.0, and you also can set the duration for it and the quality here. So I'm just going to leave it as it is, and you want to click on generate. Now once you click on generate, this is going to begin working, and from this image it's going to make it well, whatever you have instructed it to do. So it might take a little bit of time here in order to process, but we're just going to pause and come back with the result. Okay, so it took a little bit, but this is the final result. It even added audio. So from our pictures, she starts moving and winks, and just like that, that's how you create videos from images. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.